Hey guys, it's me Justin here, and we're going to do a video of my star signal siren and my federal signal PA300 siren. Speakers are sitting over there. It's going to be extremely loud in here. That was the horn and manual tone. We have whale, yelp, phaser. Pressing manual does the two-tone as known high-low for me. The federal signal has whale, yelp, high-low, and air horn manual tone as well. I've got no lights hooked up to this at the very moment. HF does a different manual tone. The local fire department's actually just got a call. The light squad's responding. Here comes the ALS unit, ALS 56. That was the Harrison Fire Department. I live in Harrison, Ohio. Start getting some of the stuff out of my way here. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this on. This is gonna be